So dance and fitness seems to be a match made in heaven. Pablo, out of Trinidad and Tobago, has his own dance fitness movement going on.
I'm Pablo, people know me as Pablo. I'm the CEO and head coach of ADDICTS movement. I'm here on Soca and he's doing dance and fitness. I merged my two loves, which is dance and fitness. I'm self-taught. If I love something, I just go hard in it. Like I go all, I drop everything and do it. And I just went really hard. In 2006, Marshall saw me actually performing Peter C when Peter C was trying to come up with his band. And he saw me and he's like, use Pablo. And I'm like, yeah, that's the first time I ever talked to Marshall in real face. He's like, I hear about you, you're bad, I'll call you. But I said in my head, whatever, you gonna call me. You know, that's the first, and then after, like the January after, he called me to do his video, Rolling and Blazing the Trail. And after that, he was like, yo, I like your vibe, I like your energy, I like how you dance, I want to go Madison Square Garden with me. I say, no, that is in New York, no. He laughed. And he was, yeah, I know. And from 2007 to 2014, I was a HC dancer at the time. It was crazy. I enjoyed every moment of it. So I was always into fitness in terms of track and field and stuff. I used to run track. So that's what I do. I just make simple little moves, dance moves, and I put fitness in it, like a little bit of fitness. So I mix it now. So that's how you'll find people who gravitate to me with that. And I think that's a blessing, and I'm humble and grateful for God for that, you know. Most of my mixes are soca, you know, and of course I just wait for most of the up-tempo soca songs to come out, and I just incorporate it and go as an ambassador all over the world.
To connect with Pablo on social media, check him out at Fit Addicts Movement.